So thanks for listening to this short video about Argand Solutions client data services offering to clients for energy and weather. Effectively, what we realized was that actually every client has very specific needs on the whole. Those specific needs are driven by the different people within their organization, and those maybe the finance director, the O&M team, the energy manager, the different stakeholders. And those specific requirements require us cannot necessarily be met by providing a site that provides the same charts and the same analysis for every client. It's just the data is different. So as a result, we decided to build client data services. So client data services, effectively what we can do is we will listen to your needs and that the analytical needs of all of the different people within your organization, and we will create specific services using code to take the data that we're getting for your site or sites, and then work with that data and then provide the analysis that you require. And we add that code as a new service. So that new service will then be uploaded to our platform. And from that, we can then create a schedule, so we can manage our schedule. So that's where we are at the moment here. And we click on Add to Schedule. And essentially, we can choose the service that we'd like to add. We can choose the, well, it would be your client, but we can choose the location that you'd like that particular service to run on. So that location could be your local site, it could be regional, country-based, it could also be global. And then we will analyze and provide the results for that particular location set. We then set up the frequency, so whether it's each day, each week, each quarter, monthly, annually, and we can see here when the next scheduled run is supposed to take place. Now, once that has run, what we'll see is we've got these eye icons down here. We can look at the different reports. So here I'm going to look at this this particular one here by clicking the eye icon. We can see it's run once before. We can then see that there are files attached, so CSV files. So we click on that and we can see the CSV files that have run. So we click on the link and it will download the file to our local machine. We can look at tables, and that will provide a table of all the results. And then we can look at charts. And again, these will run either it will produce multiple charts. They're not restricted to one, so produce multiple different charts, multiple different tables, multiple different files, whatever you need. Once we have run that, you may say, actually, I don't necessarily need specifically the week or the month. I actually want to look at it for a particular period. So then we can click on the play button here, and in the play button we can choose the date range. So actually it may say, I want to look at this between the, I don't know, 1st of February and the 9th of February. We choose those dates, we click run, and that will go off and then run that particular service for that particular time period and present all of the results for you, the client, to view, again, using the icon. What you'll also receive is an email, and that email will also tell you, it will either have the CSV files attached, or it will give you the link to basically come back to this particular report to view the results. And at any point you can edit what's going on there, and you can choose the people who receive that report. You can change the frequency, you can change the location that you want to run it for. And of course you can add more schedules for different locations, so you could run the same service for a site, for a region, for a country, for your global sites as well. Hopefully that's made sense. We're really excited by it, and there's lots more that we can do, and we'd really like to hear from you if you're interested in this. So get in touch, and thanks for listening. Bye.